Hello friends, I, Deepika Rathore, Assistant Professor in Biyani Girls College, welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on lac-operon. Lac-operon is in bacteria. It is a type of catabolic pathway. It is negative inducible as well as positive inducible only in presence of glucose. What happens in negative inducible? We first deal with that. In a negative inducible expression pathway, if there is an active repressor protein, it can bind to the operator, due to which RNA pol can't bind to the promoter. So there is no expression. If on the expression there is an inducer known as allolactose. Allolactose have the capability to inactivate the active repressor protein. If it gets inactivated, then RNA pol can easily bind to the promoter and the expression is on. Now the next possibility is, if there is high concentration of glucose present in cell, then what happens? When the active activator protein is formed, we earlier studied that active activator protein enhance the gene expression, but if there is high concentration of glucose present in cell, then it activates the adenylyl cyclase, which inhibit the activation of cyclic AMP through ATP. If cyclic AMP doesn't form or doesn't activate it, then it can bind to the promoter. There is a site known as CAP which is recognized by cyclic AMP. So the active activator protein needs cyclic AMP to get attached to the promoter. There is a DNA polymerase which express the expression genes, but there is no active activator protein, so the gene expression is low. So what do you mean by this? It means that if there is high concentration of glucose in cell, then there is low level of gene expression, but if there is low level of glucose concentration, then it cannot activate the adenylyl cyclase. So cyclic AMP is formed, which with active activator protein get attached to the promoter and the high level of gene expression is achieved. So the third possibility is that when glucose is in low concentration in the cell and lactose is unavailable, then what happens? If there is active repressor protein is formed which binds to the operator, then it simply means there is no expression. And we all know that if glucose is in low concentration in the cell, then adenylyl cyclase inhibit the formation of cyclic AMP. So there is no role of glucose which is present in low concentration. The expression is already not achieved. If there is high concentration of glucose and the same possibility lactose unavailable, then also there is no expression, because glucose can activate the adenylyl cyclase, but there is no role of cyclic AMP because there is no active activator protein which it can bind and enhance the expression. So active repressor protein easily binds to the operator and there is no expression. This is all about the lac-operon. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. For further details, please log on to www.gurukpo.com.